Everybody's really nice here. They're very good teachers, and it's just seems like a part of our own school now.
I think school districts coming together really helps all of us. Like, they're helping us prepare for our future and giving us opportunities like these.
Whenever I first heard about CTEC, it was from the high school. They were talking about it, and there was a bunch of different things that you could do, like manufacturing, automotives, welding, things like that. I was pretty excited to come. It seemed like a good facility to go to, just to be able to learn about different machines and how to make different things.
You know, when I come in the morning, I'm pretty excited to work on whatever project I'm about to work on, or excited to learn something new. And it's always something fun when we come in.
The staff here, everyone is super nice, super friendly. You're always able to talk to them. They're always walking around, checking to see how we're doing. If you need help, you can always get help from anyone.
If I wanted to go on to an engineering degree or something like that in college, it does help with learning the machines and knowing what we're doing ahead of time, instead of just jumping into it blindly.
Hopefully I can get like some sort of license or certifications out of it, so I can sort of help me in the future and maybe get a job when I get older.
I think I might start at a manufacturing shop or a fabrication shop, somewhere like that. I also have a few jobs actually lined up already that might help.
I would say thank you for letting us have the opportunity to come to this facility and work with the people that we work with and do what we do, because it's a very enjoyable experience to be able to learn everything that we're learning here.
I would thank them a lot for giving me this opportunity to come here, because this is a great place. I wish that this would have been offered to everybody, and they should experience what I got. Our high school can only do so much, but this place focuses directly on the subject that you choose. This was my first year here, and I'm a senior, and I wish I could stay one more year. I want to learn as much as I can, and coming to this place has really pushed me to go to my limit and to learn and to want to learn. And my instructors and everyone here really makes me want to just do better for myself and to get even further.